everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra and today we're creating a holiday look. I know it's been a minute. I think the last time I posted something was a month ago and I really feel bad because last year I kind of created I think 3 looks for before Christmas or during the holiday season and I didn't do that. I am so sorry, but I told myself at least I'm gonna try my best to give you guys one look, and this is one look before Christmas. And if you needed to have an inspiration and an idea of what to go ahead and create on your eye and what color, I think green is fantastic, and some black eyeshadow with the green for the holidays. So I kind of wanted to create a look very simple, at the same time very festive because of the green and the glitter of the glitter eyeliner. And we're gonna really just focus on green and black in this tutorial. Everything that I am using in this video will be featured on the video. Like I'll put it up in the screen, and I also will put it down below if you have any of those products. Like I always say in my videos, you don't need to have this particular brand to create the looks. Go ahead and grab the similar shades, or go ahead and grab a shade that you prefer to go ahead. If you don't want to use the green and you want to add maybe pink or orange, yellow, whatever the case is, go ahead and swap it out and do whatever you want to do with the look. And it's kind of like a tutorial just to get inspiration for the holidays that is right here around the corner. So real quick, when we start the tutorial, we're really entering and kind of like one eye is already created, sort of, and then we're gonna go ahead and create the left eye together, and you kind of could see the steps that I went to create the look. All right guys, so I hope you loved the tutorial. I enjoy making it. I'm so happy to be back here on YouTube and creating. I want to create more, and go ahead and leave me any ideas of any looks you want me to do. I know the holidays is already about to end, but you know, I'm crossing fingers I should be able to record before New Year's, and if I could, you guys will have another makeup look before New Year's, so you guys could have some inspiration. If not, remember Valentine's Day is out there, or you have any type of events or anything you want me to create, go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit the like button, and yeah, go ahead and follow me on the other social media platforms. I will put it on the screen, and I also will put some links below. All right, so I want to say happy holidays if I don't see you guys before Christmas again. Merry Christmas if you celebrate. Happy holidays and Happy New Year's. But I should be back before New Year's. So, all right, God willing. But all right, guys, I want to say have a wonderful have a wonderful holidays, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.